Celebrating listing of 5 NPOs on the NSE Social Stock Exchange. Transform Rural India, a non-profit organization based out of Delhi that works in the areas of skill development and sustainable livelihoods, raised 2 crore Indian rupees. The project will be onboarding 12 to 15 Sarathis to work across all select locations.
Here we are at a very pivotal juncture as we aim for a Viksit Bharat and to become the 3rd largest economy in the world. We are also at the crossroads where there is a growing India that coexists with a languishing India or a stranded India. TRI has designed solutions which helps young people in rural area to access dignified and sustainable solutions, to access dignified and sustainable opportunities for themselves and create these languishing localities into a flourishing localities.
Shri Neeraj Ahuja, Associate Director, Transform Rural India Foundation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wasn't this fabulous? So let us hear it loud for all the 5 NPOs. Heartiest congratulations to the management, stakeholders, well-wishers of SGBS Unnati Foundation, Ekalavya Foundation, Mukti, Transform Rural India and Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement.